China doesn't build normal skyscrapers anymore. What used to be about height is now about shock value. This is the country that once proved its power with massive bridges, endless high-speed rail, and cities built almost overnight. But what's happening now feels completely different. We're talking about buildings that bend in mid-air, towers with giant holes carved through them, and structures that look more like science fiction than architecture. And the closer we get to number one, the harder it becomes to believe these things are real. Number 5. CCTV Headquarters, Beijing. This building looks like it broke the rules of gravity and somehow survived. Instead of rising straight into the sky like a normal skyscraper, the entire structure bends sharply at the top and reconnects with itself, forming a massive loop in the air. It stands more than 230 meters tall, but what makes it shocking isn't the height, it's the shape. Steel beams had to carry enormous pressure in directions they were never meant to. Imagine walking under a skyscraper that literally leans over you, as if it could move at any moment. It doesn't feel like a building, it feels like a giant mechanical object frozen in time. And somehow, this was only the beginning. Number 4. Morpheus Hotel, Macau. Now the design becomes even stranger. Instead of solid walls and straight towers, this structure looks like a futuristic skeleton rising out of the city. Huge holes cut through the building from top to bottom, creating an open, hollow form that almost feels unfinished. But that's exactly the point. There are no traditional internal support columns. The entire structure relies on a complex external steel frame that wraps around it like armor. At night, the lighting makes it almost alien, like something that landed rather than something that was built. Imagine standing in front of a skyscraper that looks like a giant sculpture than a hotel. And once you think that's extreme, the next one changes the idea of where a building should even exist. Number 3. Shima Wonderland Intercontinental. This one doesn't rise into the sky at all, it goes down. Instead of building upward like every other luxury hotel on Earth, this structure was carved into the side of a massive quarry. More than half of the hotel sits below ground level, hidden inside the rock. From above, it looks almost calm, but once you look down, you realize the entire building is hanging along the walls of a deep crater. Glass walls reflect the cliff face, and the lower floors sit just above water at the bottom. Picture a luxury hotel buried inside a giant wound in the earth, surrounded by stone walls that rise hundreds of meters around it. It feels quiet, powerful, and slightly unsettling. And just when you think the shock is about location, the next structure pushes scale to another level. Number 2. Raffles City, Chongqing. This isn't just one skyscraper, it's a group of them connected in a way that shouldn't be possible. 8 massive towers rise from the ground, but the real shock sits on top. A huge horizontal structure stretches across the sky, connecting the buildings like a floating bridge. It's over 300 meters in the air, resting where nothing should exist. The scale is hard to understand until you imagine standing below it and looking up at something that long, that heavy, hanging across the skyline. It feels futuristic in a way that makes the entire city look different, like the rules of architecture quietly changed without anyone telling the rest of the world. And still, this isn't the most visually shocking thing on this list. Number 1. Labian Building, Guangzhou. This is the kind of building that instantly goes viral the moment you see it, because it doesn't just look strange, it does something completely unexpected. Right on the front of the skyscraper, a giant waterfall pours down from the upper floors. Not a small decorative feature, a massive vertical stream of water crashing down the side of a tall building in the middle of the city. From far away, it looks almost unreal, like someone edited it into the skyline. Up close, the sound alone makes it feel powerful. Water rushing down steel and glass hundreds of feet above the ground is not something people expect to see in real life.
It's simple, shocking, and impossible to ignore, and that's exactly why it sits at the top of this list. What makes these buildings so powerful isn't just the design, it's the message behind them. China isn't trying to follow the traditional idea of architecture anymore. It's experimenting with shape, scale, and pure visual impact in ways that most countries would never risk. These structures don't just change the skyline, they change the way people think about what a building is supposed to look like. Out of these 5, which one actually surprised you the most? Was it the bending headquarters, the underground hotel, or the skyscraper with a waterfall running down its side? If you want more extreme architecture and insane engineering projects like this, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay ready for the next one, because what's coming next is even harder to believe.